My name is David Letwalo, based in Polokwane, Limpopo, at a village called Mins. I cut structural timber, and we supply the community and the surrounding areas with structural timber. It's been a long journey before I can get into this sawmill business. Before I was selling, I started somewhere around 2012, selling a gum pole. As time went on, I then realized that if I do try this business, maybe it can end up doing something for me. Then somewhere around 2016, decided I get into business. I then saw a need to advance in terms of getting machinery so that I meet the demand. I'm speaking in terms of production. I had to make sure that I buy a Wood-Mizer because I learned that it can actually handle the pressure of our job, you know what I mean? The weight and everything, their beds are very strong, so I felt I must go for Wood-Mizer, especially because even the technical support is always there. Whenever I need assistance, they are here to assist me with whatever I need. You know, just like everybody who has got dreams, I did dream also that I want to see myself, you know, achieving this and that. But it was difficult before I can get into the business, and at some stage, I was very hopeless that I'm gonna achieve what I used to dream of. But thanks God, you know, I had this idea of running the business. All my dreams came a reality.